Approximately 4 weeks after submitting the free application for student aid, you will receive a student aid report, commonly known as the SAR, from the U.S. Department of Education. As soon as you receive your student aid report, review it for accuracy. The university will also receive your student aid report and will contact you if any additional documents are needed. When all the required documents are received, you will receive an award letter from the university. Once you receive your award notification, here are the next steps. Access online student services by clicking the Online Student Services link from the university's homepage. Once you log in, click on the Students link located in the blue bar on the right side of the screen. This will take you to the main Student Services page. Under the Financial Aid section, click on the Accept or Reject My Financial Aid Awards link. Then, select the appropriate award year from the drop-down menu and click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, you will have the option to view each individual term and award type and accept or reject the awards as listed. You can also simply select the Accept All option. Once you've accepted your awards through online student services, you may register for courses. Please note that if you intend to pay your tuition with federal direct loans, you must also have completed your Master Promissory Note and entrance counseling first. If you have questions about the financial aid process, please contact us at 609-777-5680 or by email. Thanks for watching this segment and applying for financial aid.